Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this lesson I'm going to demonstrate the use of structures in C. Now, structures are ways of grouping variables together that have a common, that share a common bond. So a way I can create a structure is with the keyword struct. So I can say struct, and then I want to name the type of struct I'm going to create because I can create multiple structs of the same type. So let's say it's called character. And then I can create the variables that are going to be in there. So let's say I have a character array called f_name. It's 20 characters long, well, including the null character. And then I have another one called lname for the last name that's also 20 characters long. And then I have, say, an integer age. I can group these all together in a structure. And we end a structure with a semicolon, just like every other line in C. And now I can create a specific structure. I can initialize it by typing the type of structure preceded by the keyword struct and then the name of the structure that I want to initialize. So let's say Dean. And then I can pass in what the first name is. It's going to be Dean, put a comma, and then last name is going to be Winchester, put a comma, and then the age is going to be 41. Now, on the last item in the list, I don't actually have to put a comma. And again, at the end of this, I'm going to put a semicolon. Now I can use this structure, let's say in a printf statement, as follows. So I can say percentage s space percentage s is percentage d years old. And put a new line at the end of that. And then we'd pass in these struct values by typing the name of the struct and then the name of the variable. So I do dean.fname because I want it to be Dean Winchester is 41 years old. So, and then dean.lname and then dean.age. Okay, put a semicolon at the end of my printf statement. And then at the end of this, I just return 0. Okay, so let's compile this. So I'm going to type GCC and then the name struct.c, and we're going to output it as just struct. And let's now run it. And you can see it prints out Dean Winchester is 41 years old. So the key of this lesson is you can use structures for variables that should be grouped together. And it's a better way of organization in C. Hope you found it interesting. Hope to see you in the next one.